and we are continuously monitoring the NewsX has reached ground zero here in the forward location, one of a forward location from where Indian forces they have destroyed number of Pakistani army's position, which basically was targeting the civilian area. I will ask my camera person to show you the forward locations and one of a Mandala post of Pakistan from where they were continuously trying to hit out at the civilian area, and they have damaged several houses. And right after that, when they started targeting the civilian area, our forces, they also took position and started retaliating to Pakistani positions. About 20 to 25 positions of Pakistan were decimated, whether they were artillery positions or Pakistani bunkers. And these areas basically are the areas from where even in the past Pakistan have tried to infiltrate to this side. In 1965, in 1971, Pakistan tried to, capture this area of Sham, Jodiyan, Planwala, Khod, but Indian forces, they have press them back to towards Pakistan, across the line of control. I will try to show you the visuals of that, firing by which Indian forces, they have destroyed Mandala and other Pakistani army positions. Just see that these are the visuals of that 10th, morning when Indian Jawans, they were deployed over here, and they are just retaliating to the Pakistani positions. And this is ATGM fire. 2 ATGM fire was launched to hit out at the Mandala post, and these visual clearly shows that how bravely they have ensured that 20 to 25 positions of Pakistani army that has to be totally decimated and razed to the ground. Let's speak to one of officer of the Indian Army who have been deployed over here and who was here during that retaliation of the Indian Army. Let's speak to him. Sir, how challenging it was when this firing was going on?
First of all, good afternoon to all the NewsX viewers. And I would like to say that once the Pakistan could not gain dividends in the hilly sector, they opened fire in the plain sector, which is of ours. And on the morning of 10th, their mortars were directed, they tried to reach a forward post and their artillery towards our civilian areas. However, right after they first fired opened up, their fire was seemed as very uncoordinated. Their rounds fell blind, and it was as if they were clutching at straws. Like it is rightly said, that you cannot make a silk purse out of a sow's ear. The Pakistan army could not fight a pitched battle with the disciplined might of the Indian army with disarray and desperation. Our reply was swift, it was clinical, it was precise onto their post, directed on them, and it was all in coordination and in sync with our battalion support weapons, with the artillery guns, and also in close coordination of the air defense. It was thunder in the sky, and it was right on their head.
What we came to know that they have fired hundreds of shells, artillery and mortar shells to target the civilian area, and most of them basically are laying blind over there on the ground. Is it true?
Yes, that is true. They tried to, as it is all expected from the Pakistan army, they tried to target our civilian areas. But I must say through your channel that a big thanks to all the population of the Aknoor who worked hand in hand with the Indian army. They trusted us, and all the routine, all the drills were set previously that once the ceasefire violates where they have to go, they had pre-designated bunkers, and they were all safe and secure.
And how prepared we are, since Operation Sindoor is still continuing. So how prepared we are to avert any kind of a threat from across?
The fire after the Pahalgam incident was running high. It went like a war cry through all the ranks of the Indian army. Per se, with my men, their bellies were on fire, and their zeal and their enthusiasm was just extraordinary. When the moment came, they stood like a wall. They were deadly, and they were unyielding. And as they say, rightly say, that when the going gets tough, the tough gets going.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. So you can hear from the horse's mouth that how prepared we are and how effectively we have retaliated to the Pakistan's plan of disturbing peace and targeting civilians of this area. With Bunty Digra, Ajay Jandial, NewsX. When Pakistan violated